In this video, I'm going to show you how to set AdSense on YouTube. So once you have reached your threshold of 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers, you're going to want to go over to Earn. It used to be called monetization, but now it's called Earn. So as soon as you get monetized, as soon as you get into the YouTube Partner Program, you did the terms of service, you made your AdSense account, well, at least when you get all your stuff, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually head over to AdSense. Now, I'm going to be blurring all of this information because it's safety reasons, but unless actually I do not have to. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to actually go through all this stuff. You're going to want to go to AdSense for YouTube. You're going to have to click on it, like once you're done with the terms and service, just click on this part. And then you're going to want to go over to payments if you guys want. I'm not going to click on this because there's a lot of private information on there. I do not want to give my stuff away. And then once you're done setting up payments, which is pretty much like right here, I still have something I need to fix, as you guys can see. But once you guys do that, then you're all set and ready to go to earn money. So yeah, and what you're gonna need to actually, get payments is you're gonna need to have an ID, and you're gonna need to have like all your business papers for your tax stuff. So it's pretty much all you need. And it says your balance will update in a month. So if you see zero balance here, and you see on YouTube, if I can go to it here, if you see on YouTube, and you go to your analytics, and you see that you are making, I'm making 17 cents, guys. This is just an estimate. It's not actually true. This could be any number. Could be like $100, and that is the threshold you need to make within 60 days, which is 2 months. So, and obviously I got monetized yesterday, so it's going to reset. Well, the next month is going to be May 18th, which will be the first month. Then the second month is going to be it's going to be June 18th. So, and that's your 2 months. That's how long you have to earn $100. And if this number is over $100, it's safe to say that you have reached $100 on YouTube. This estimated number needs to be over $100. Okay, so now you know how to set up AdSense. Now, I'm going to tell you how to earn money. So what you're going to want to do is to earn money is as soon as you do it, you're going to want to go back to Earn. And as soon as you get into, as soon as you get it, you have to wait to get reviewed. So once you get reviewed and you get accepted in the YouTube Partner Program, you can start monetizing your videos by viewing. You can turn on YouTube Short Feeds ads, and you can also turn on supers. So you can view this if you guys want. There's no personal information here, so, and there you guys go. There's my monetization, 17 cents. And then if you guys go over to view Shorts ads, you can see my analytics. You can go to YouTube Shorts. It's still 17 cents because that's my revenue. So whatever number is your estimated revenue, is that. But your super chats work a little bit different. Super chats, they go through a little bit of a different system, and YouTube actually takes 95% of that cut, which is pretty bad. But for ads, they only take 45%, and you get 55%. So it's pretty interesting. Anyway, I hope this tutorial helped you out, and yeah. Anyway, my name is Jacob. I run the channel Super Mario Jacob, and yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one. Have an awesome day, and take care.